In this video, we are going to see that how can we actually add a word into the dictionary in Microsoft Word. So here, as you can see, there are several words that is not recognized by Microsoft Word, and we get this red squiggly lines beside them or below them. So in order to make sure that these are well recognized by Microsoft Word, what we are going to do is add them to the dictionary. So how do we do that? First of all, go to the word that is appearing in squiggly lines, then right click over it. Once you right click over it, Microsoft Word would give you some suggestions that it thinks is a best fit for the word. In case you have misspelled a word, then you can simply just check the spelling and provide a correct word. But in case you are very sure about this spelling and you want to add a custom word to your dictionary, then what you can do is go to this add to dictionary option. Now as you can see, the squiggly line has been removed, and let's just add some versions of this word. If we just add it, then no squiggly lines would be there, because according to Microsoft, now this word is a valid word in its dictionary and it won't say that it is an error anymore. So that's how you can work with the words, and that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.